Hello everyone. So, nandito kami sa Eastwood, Quezon City. So, naghahanap kami ng mga kainan for dinner. Then, may recommendation na subukan daw namin yung The Orange Bucket. So, tatry namin ngayon sa dinner namin. Okay. So, dito kami sa Eastwood. Yan. Then, nakita namin yung The Orange Bucket. Nandun na. So, tara. Samahan nyo kami.
Tingnan mo natin doon dito ng mga...
Ayan, marami pa doon. Ganda pa ng view, di ba? Oh, wow, maganda raw dito sa gabi. So, makikita namin yung gabi dito sa Eastwood. Tingnan natin how nice dito. Nakakita kami doon. Ayan, lalaki. No? Lalaki. Okay, so ayun na sila, mga kasama namin. Ayun na po sila, mga naghihintay. Okay. Samahan nyo kami. Dinner tayo. Seafood bucket tayo. Eastwood. So, try namin ngayon ang orange bucket dito sa Eastwood. Okay. Orange bucket dito sa Eastwood. Yeah, Eastwood, orange bucket tayo. Late lunch. Seafood tayo. So, Eastwood. Dito makikita ang Eastwood sa Quezon City. Ganda naman ang lugar, di ba? Ganda ang lugar dito. Maraming kainan. That's one thing here in sa Eastwood. Libis. Maraming kainan. So, subukan natin ngayon the orange bucket. Bakit nga ba orange? Yan, tanong. By the way, birthday pala ng Mini. Happy birthday. So, birthday niya ngayon. Celebrate namin dito sa Orange Bucket. Bakit ba ang orange? Ready. Naghihintay ng food. Yeah. So say hi, happy birthday. Okay, first delivery ng order namin. So, that's it. And ribs.
We have to put this one.
Ayan yung dalawang bucket. Bucket orange. Why orange? Bucket. So ito na yung order ng bucket.
Take a picture.
I will. Tapos may siyang crab, shrimp, prawn, mussels, crabs, corn. Ano to?
Oo. Kasi yan may ano yan. May ano tawag dyan?
It's just a bomb of sauce. Community rice. So I just like wrap my stuff in it.
I'll use this one, yo.
Am I doing it right?
I don't know. As long as it doesn't get in your clothes, I guess it's right.
Bakit tayo? Kain mo na kami. Makain na sila eh. Hindi pa ako makain. Ako maubusan ako.
Oh, they have lobster.
Yes, you go take it. Nice, the sauce is all
Lobster.
towards me. Go.
You put it in your rice, buttered rice.
That is true.
Sige na mga.
And then you go with buttered rice.
Bigyan mo mga.
That's some my stimulation is a lot right now. I'm overstimulated.
You drink coffee? No.
Working in BPO, I drink coffee now.
Oh, you do. Jack?
Can I have the spoon, please? No, I think more for long. Yes, please. There's a spoon on there. Thank you so much, Mom. Can you like tighten it for me?
Ano? Sarap ba? Grabe, no? Wow.
Hindi masarap?
Hindi masarap?
Natapon yung ulam natin.
So, natapon lang yung ulam. Galing dito. Yan. So, orange na orange, no? Sarap naman. Enjoy. Sarap. Seafood bucket talaga. Happy birthday daw. Sa mami ganda namin.
Yung birthday celebrate, kapon. Texas din, dito naman.
Oo nga eh. Ano? Ano ba to? Second station pa lang natin to, no? Oh, second station pa lang. Meron pang third station. So guys, this is what happened. Nag-hide ako, hindi ako nag-video ng sarili ko ako kumakain. So, kasi busy ako kumain. So, this is what happened. Super sarap. daw, nahulog. Tignan natin kung saan nahulog. Masasabi ko lang, Lawrence Bucket. Masarap. Try nyo rin.